This problem, 8 grams of calcium nitrate combined with 15 grams of sodium phosphate. Which reactant is in excess and by how many grams is it in excess? So we've got both reactants. We need to figure out how much excess we have. First thing we need better do is balance our equation. Now I see that I've got 2 nitrates here, so I need a 2 here, except then I got 3 sodium, so I'm going to put a 6 there. That means I need a 2 there and a 3 there. So that gives me 3 calciums on each side, 2 phosphates on each side, 6 sodiums and 6 nitrates. So now it all balances. Now I've got 8 grams of calcium nitrate and 15 grams of that one. So now I've got to figure out which one's in excess. My first step is I need to take both of those grams, calcium nitrate, and 15 grams of sodium phosphate, and I've got to turn them into moles. Get rid of my grams of calcium nitrate, go to moles of calcium nitrate. Get rid of my grams of sodium phosphate, go to moles of sodium phosphate. Okay, so I got calcium nitrate. Calcium nitrate, made up of calcium, nitrogen, oxygen. I've got 1 calcium, 2 nitrogens, 6 oxygens. So I got 40, 28, and 6 times 16 is 96. 164 grams in 1 mole. For the sodium phosphate, I've got sodium, phosphorus, oxygen. 3 sodiums, 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygens. 16, 31 times 23, that would be 69, 31, 64, 164. 164 grams in 1 mole. So that means that I've got 8 divided by 164 is 0.048 moles of calcium nitrate. And 15 divided by 164 is 0.09 moles of Na3PO4. So that's how much that I have of each one. Now I've got to figure out how much I need. So I'm going to pick one. And I'm going to say, okay, I need to get rid of my moles of sodium phosphate and go to moles of calcium nitrate. It's a 2 to 3 ratio. Again, that comes from my balanced equation. So 0.09 times 3 divided by 2 is 0.13. 0.14, I should say, moles of calcium nitrate. So by looking at that, that tells me that that's how much calcium nitrate I would need. I don't have that much. So my calcium nitrate is limiting. That's my limiting. Then that means that this is my excess. So the first part of my question asks which one's in excess. Sodium phosphate's in excess. second part asks how many grams is it in excess. In order to figure that out, I'm going to take my calcium nitrate, get rid of my moles of calcium nitrate, and go to moles of sodium phosphate. Okay, this is a 3:2 ratio. So 0.048 times 2 divided by 3 is 0.032 moles of sodium phosphate. That's how much that I would actually need for my sodium phosphate. I obviously have more than that. So if I take 0.09 and subtract 0.032, that means that I have 0.09 minus 0.032, I have 0.058 moles of Na3PO4 in excess. That's how much more I have than I need. Again, this is my have, this is my need. So that's my moles I have extra. If I multiply that times 164, that would give me 9.5 grams of sodium phosphate that I have extra. I would have needed the 5.5 grams. I've got 15 grams, so I've got that much.